Some of you may be familiar with HashLips, a popular YouTuber in the NFT space.
Hey, how's it going, guys? My name's Daniel, aka HashLips.
Recently, he made this video where he explained how he tackled a common challenge: the increasing costs of NFT data storage with pinning services.
Now, for an artist, it's simply not viable to pay that monthly fee.
So what did he do? Well,
I'm going to show you a way of doing it through ArDrive. I feel it's very user-friendly. I'm going to create a new drive over here and say new drive and give it a name. The thing is, NFTs usually have images and metadata, and I just want to have the folder structure set up in such a way where it makes sense.
HashLips detailed the critical step of ensuring his NFTs link to the data on Arweave. He explained the importance of updating the base URI with the correct link from Arweave. After he created the manifest hash, he showed how he updated the contract using MetaMask for confirmation, updating his NFT collection so it's reflected on OpenSea with the images stored on Arweave.
And now this image is going to be here for the next 200 years.
Know before you stow, with the help of the ArDrive community making great member videos.